cash list. That jewelry part of my wrist. Frank Miller made part of my wrist. Frank Miller made part of my wrist. My shoe gon' shoot, can't miss. My shoe got 30 on the seat.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy 4DJ back with another video. Today, as you can tell by the title, we got the AirMax 97 AllStar unboxing and review. Well, they're already outside the box, but as you can tell, that's taxing there, so I can put it on my wall. But as you can tell, we got the little Nike box. Nobody cares about that. We're gonna get right into the shoe. Beautiful shoe. Red, white, and blue. Like this part, the little things right here, the red, blue are 3M. Let me see if I can get like a little, I don't know, but anyways, funny part while I was buying this, the dude, he was like, you know, we got the jacket and shirt. I was like, nah, I could rock it with my little USA, or I got a red, white, and blue champion shirt I'm gonna wear tomorrow with these to school. But honestly, I like the shoe. Like, I've picked up the style of AirMaxes now, so this is like really what I wear. I know y'all saw my other ones. Well, no, I don't know if you ever saw. Oh yeah, if you go watch my Get Ready With Me first day of high school, those are the other AirMax I got. But yeah, it's not that I don't like Jordans no more. It's just I don't like the style. But as you can tell, hold on, let me see. Right here, this is a Nike logo and this is a star. It came with a little bag, 2 of each, so you can switch it, customize it how you want. So I got the star on the right one, and then a Nike logo. But yeah, like I said, you know, the bottom you got the red, white, and blue, and beautiful design. You got the blue right here with the red Nike check. Right here you got the silver Nike check. You know, honestly, the shoe is designed awesome. Like, you can't tell on camera, but the white part right here that goes all the way around, it's like you got this little shiny look. I like it. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna show y'all the inside, the insole. I'm gonna take it out right quick if it's not glued down. All right, it's not glued down. So, you know, we got a insole. It says 1991. It's backwards because I'm recording off my phone, so my camera is still broke. 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna get a Canon G7X. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Go follow all my social medias down there, and my Snapchat and everything. All that information will be down in the description down below. Yes, it says 1991. Cool little insole, you know, white and blue. Get a little closer, y'all can see the effect. But yeah, I got size 10.5. I say these run pretty true to size. I mean, it depends on the shoe. I wear 10, 10.5, but I got 10.5 in these, you know. But yeah, like, I feel like people are sleeping on these. Like, to me, the shoe is nice. You know. I'm gonna lace them later. Like, I'm gonna lace them different than how they come generically. Here are the 2 shoes. Honestly, I feel like if you don't know how to rock these, it's not hard, but like, everybody is different. I mean, there's not a certain way you have to wear the shoe, like with certain clothes. I know people be like, oh, you gotta wear it with this, you gotta wear it with this. Personally, me, I'll throw on some little sweatpants and like something like this, or like a champion shirt or Nike shirt or something. But all right, hold on, let me get the thumbnail. Alright, bet. But yeah, like, I feel like there's not a certain way you have to, there's not certain clothes you have to wear to wear with the shoes, you know. So I feel like if you like them, get them. I mean, and they have a whole bunch of different colors. They have an all yellow and black I was about to get, but I was like, let me get these first. And I'm also, if this video does good, I'm gonna start doing more, like, every time I get a new pair of shoes, I'll do, you know, unboxing and review. So like, if you want to see that, comment down below. But yeah, we're at 590 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe so it'll give me the 600. At 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away my pair of AirPods. Well, I'll be giving away these or a new pair, because I'm getting the new black AirPod 2s that come out next month. And yeah, so I'm getting those next month when they come out. You know, they have a black color, more bass and stuff. So yeah, if you want some AirPods, I mean, subscribe. And make sure y'all tell all your friends about me, because like, I'm about to start uploading a lot. Like, since I'm about to hit 600, it's time to grind. So like, it's about to get real. But like, I feel like, but I mean, yeah, I'm talking too much about other stuff. But yeah, so like, I mean, it's really not much to talk about. You see it like red, white, and blue, you know, a little silver, you know. Nice shoe overall. I personally like AirMax. I'm a fan of AirMax. I know you might not be a fan, but it's a pretty nice shoe. Oh yeah, you got the little pull tab right here, right? I think I already said that. Nah, but yeah, so make sure y'all go check out my other videos too. But if y'all want to see an on foot, comment down below and get this to 30 likes and I'll do it on foot. But yeah, man, you already know it's your boy Foreign DJ. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because you know we're lit. Join the Foreign Nation, we're lit all day, every day. And I'm out.